Wow, the price action just so amazing. Super beautiful. I didn't trade Wednesday and Thursday. Tuesday I take one trade and Monday I take two trades. But that was our last video in the Friday evening here. I closed my long above here. And the idea what I was looking for, if this T push downside really want to continue go lower, we have to break this area, this low here, to start going lower. But you see the price was breaking the highs and start building higher and higher and higher. So all my thinkings and thoughts I left in the chart to talk about, and let's do it. So here we can see we have the breaking structure, what we have. The price is going, make the high, and we have no retest there. But you can see you have one more extra element here. What is pushing higher. So we have previously breaking structure higher, and now we have a deeper pullback, and the pullback was W, so very bullish confirmations. And after, for example, after this movement what we have here, what we just look in a 5-minute time frame, because the price action didn't break any more lower, so the structure is bullish and you are looking already buys in the moment because the structure is bullish. So now we have new high, and you can see the price action is breaking the high. You have breaking structure, price is going, making the high, nice pullback, nice entry, and the price is going DP. I didn't take that entry, but you can see the opportunity was here, and it was good opportunity. So you can see that we have the high. Now the price is breaking the high. We have the zone here, but price didn't reach the moment. So what my mind was doing, because we didn't reach the TP, it indicates for us, for me, the deeper pullback is coming. So here we have 1 minute. That's this one here is 1 minute pullback. This one here is 3 to 5 minute pullback. So I know the higher time frame pullback is coming, and the previously we have 1 minute. So now we have 3 to 5 minute pullback. And you can see how the price is tick 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 going down here, making a nice W in the bottom. Price is shooting all the way up here, making the high, pullback, and you can see how the price is creating the same W pattern here, and the price is going. So that was my first trade in Monday, and straight to the TP. So now here you can see price action very impulsive. So I was more patient to just wait it out. And here you can see price is now breaking the highs, making the high, nicely pulling back, gives you a nice opportunity. I didn't trade this one too. I was more patient and wait. And now you can see price is going all the way high, making the high, pulling back, gives us the entry. But look at that. What's happened? You get stopped out straight away. And what's happened now? the price didn't reach the TP. What's happened before when price didn't reach the TP? Price didn't reach the TP and we have higher time frame pullbacks. So now we have already 3 and 5 minute pullback done. So now we have a 15-minute pullback. That's what my mind was doing. Now we have 15-minute pullback. And you can see here how the price is going, tick, 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 and gives to me a perfect entry. You can see, tick, and straight to the TP. So that was my second entry in Monday. Absolutely beautiful, like so beautiful. It's going back in the original memory. So beautiful. Price is making the high. Didn't reach, deeper pullback, and nice entry straight to the TP. Next one, we have this breaking structure. You can see price is making the high. Nice retest straight to the TP. I didn't take that entry, but you can see the opportunities there. Super nice. Now price is making the new move, new breaking structure. High is made, nice entry, and price is going straight to the TP. Absolutely beautiful entry here. Next movement, price is breaking highs, making the high, no pullback, and price is just continue. And now you can see what is going on here. Deep one. Again, price didn't reach the TP, and the deeper pullback is stepping in. And if I'm gonna zoom like that, so you can see the previously price is respecting their once, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, and all this T pullback all the way down here. What we have, another respect, and the price is going all the way with super nice movement to make the high. So we have the 15-minute one here. Price is pulling back here. Gives me a nice entry, and price is going straight to the TP. So that was my Tuesday trade, and that was it. I didn't trade anymore at all. And here I have the same thing to look if the price action really want to continue downside. Exactly what was here. The same idea. After the T pullback, you have the first leg, and that is your second leg. If those are holding up, the price is gonna go higher, and you can see here price is breaking the highs, not the lows. Exactly what was happening down here after the double bottom. Price is breaking the highs and continue to go higher. Super nice trades. I'm very happy. And now the price is just going, it's just unbelievable. But let's do something here. Like for example, what you can see straight away, or what my mind can see straight away, is this manipulation. But how we started, it is really important. We have this triangle pattern here, and what is going on inside this moment. Like inside this moment. So this here is the pure manipulation. I'm gonna show you now, because what the pattern is doing, if the pattern is going higher, that's the bullish, and if the pattern is going lower, That's the bearish one. And now, if you cut this noise out in your mind, like just forget it, this doesn't exist there. What you see next? You have breaking structure, retest with the W pattern inside and prices going. So this is the original movement. What's supposed to be here and what's happened is just a lot of manipulation there. But with the pattern, if you look in the structure, why not to have this retest here? But if you look in the pattern, yeah, the manipulation gives market makers opportunities to put some noise and all this stuff in the market, so to confuse you. And that's how we started, because the price is breaking the structure, going higher. So we're going in a new stage of the structure where you have new more things. But how we started, we have this triangle pattern and we have this W pattern. What does help us? Very similar momentum here. Like for example, if you are in the moment here and you see how we started to take those trades here, absolutely, it's just beautiful. Why not? Like for example, here right now, you have 4 trades straight away. Like you have 1, 2, 3, 4 trades straight away. With just information, how we break the structure. You can see that's the structure what we have, and that's the whole pattern what was breaking the structure. And you can see this movement here, and if you was looking the last one, you can see the last one is the most beautiful one. It is exactly how we started. We have this triangle, break above, retest, and goes. For example, if you're holding this long here, you will hold this long here all the way. You might take this will be your trades, and you hold this one too. In here, this will be your trades. In here, this will be your trades. Maybe a few more candlesticks. Like all those 4 trades, it's all just laying here for you to just notice. Only because of this pattern here. And you can see if you are a bit more patient, just be a bit more patient. And here you have 4 straight opportunities. Just amazing. Here you can see you have nice T pullback, and what is changing? Now the price is trading in the channels. Channel, 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 channel. And there is even one triangle from the previous one, and the new thing, what is inside here. So we have this price action all the way to the highs. I'm gonna show you now. In the moment of here, in the moment of there, you have structure movement up. Now you have a pullback and the price have opportunity to bring some new things in. For example, here we have triangle and a W pattern. Here you can see the price is going into the trend, and you have M pattern. Price is into the trend, you have M pattern. Here, price is in what? Price is into the trend, and you have M pattern here. Price is into the trend, you have M pattern. Price is into the trend, you have M pattern, and so on. Price is going, and now it's just flat. Price is going with the W and start going higher. Price is going nicely. Here you have our zone. Price is making the high before. Gives nice entry. And just price is, that's so crazy. But nice. Super nice. Very solid. Mm. 420. Crazy. But that was information. With the patient, you can have a very nice entries, and they are all there like liquid. Like every single stage is giving us more opportunities, not us, the market makers, more opportunities to add more elements, to bring something in. All the entries, everything is very, very important. Every single detail is much, much more important than the big picture. Just pure price action, going step by step. But I think I'm gonna finish now the 1 minute series, the way of thinking. If you want some more videos about it, we can do it, but I'm gonna go back the original stuff. And I have something more in 1 minute, but let's do that in the future. But so far, I think you will understand already 100% how to look that way. And with the patient, you can see all those opportunities. Backtesting super important. Take your notebook, put all those things, and try to resonate with the market structure, market behavior, the market movements, how the market is entering, and how the market is acting or behaving in those moments where is something to do. For example, breaking structure, retest moment, idea moment, the fear moment. All those are super, super real in here. And you can read it because it's all there. It's a language. So today is Friday. Weekend is soon there. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy, reward, be with your family and nature. Let's see you in the next one. Ciao.